I think it's pretty well toast at this point. Stack it on like a shish kebab.
Yeah, it's...
Yeah!
All right.
Yes!
Try to do it, boys. Ready? Yeah, we were also sleeping the same day. You guys know. You were all super. I wasn't. Go Kai, room for you, dude. Whoa, that wing is fluttering.
One of them got it.
Oh! Nice job! Yeah!
Save it, Parker! Yeah! Good job, dude!
Yeah, I think it does flying.
Yes!
Yeah, I think you're done flying combat wing. You crash every time.
There you go.
You have to pay for those props now.
Good job, Parker! Oh! Fail! Nice hit, Parker! One of my favorite parts of being out here. Like, deer. Do it. See, it's not hard. Yeah, keep it wide open, dude. Yeah! Good job, guys.
Here, hit the stuff
Good job,
on the ground
guys.
now. Yeah, get it on the ground, guy. Go down the runway.
Oh, good job, Parker.
Parker.
Oh, just barely. I'll take it back together and do it again.
Nah, you're good. Ready?
Yeah.
Formation.
Warm up. We need to go 1, 2, 3, all at once.
Ah, that's close.
I like how what Caleb's doing. He's doing the cross and trying to hit it twice.
Oh, he just skimmed right over it, Parker.
Full speed, come on.
Whoa.
Yeah, hit that thing wide open.
It's not full speed, it doesn't count. Full time.
You guys down.
Maybe.
Say hi!
I'm dead.
If it's not full speed,
I'm
it's
dead.
not part of
I'm dead.
the-
Whoa! I just barely hit it. In the wing tonight.
Yeah. Oh, so close. Oh my gosh.
Come on. Dang it. All right, Kai. It's all you, Kai.
Get it, Kai.
Down.
Oh.
Everybody got it.
Come on. Dude, you gotta hit it.
That was hilarious.
You weren't even close. You gotta do it, dude.
Just fly straight at you, up above the ground.
It's like the crosshand. It's nervous getting that low.
Oh my God! Dude, I'm scared for my phone now. It's sticking up.
That's a terrible place for a cell phone. You got insurance on it? You have an OtterBox on it? There you go. You're fine then. This will be a commercial for OtterBox also. Nailed it. Guy. I can't keep it off the ground over there.
Okay, ready, Kai, go. There you go.
And turn Kai's rates down.
Go for it, dude. Going back. Ball back.
That's close. Where's Parker going? There he is. I broke the prop.
Stand back, everybody. Again, one more.
Up. I'll put you back up. Yeah. Oh, skipped it.
What the world?
Goes down.
Oh, dang.
I heard these things are indestructible.
That was close. Go.
Okay, 3, 2, 1, go.
Yeah! Good job, Parker. And he kept it in the air.
There's still some more, Cruz.
Oh, he tapped it. Parker center punched it.
I got it.
think that's a bald eagle over there.
Could be. Yeah, looks like it.
Because it's got the white head and the white
Yeah,
tail.
looks like it. He's probably steering away from all this madness. Bald eagle. He's steering clear of this deal. He's coming right to the edge of it, but he's pretty brave. Pretty brave. Wow. Beautiful, isn't it?
Mm-hmm.